another layout. And this one I am going to use mist and actually spray it on the page. Something I haven't done in forever, but here we go. Just pulling out my colors I want. I have my homemade mist, but they're getting where they don't want to spray. I'm going to get them to work. Because even my Tattered Angels was being difficult. And hoping maybe I can do some power washing to the porches and then do the driveway Monday. And then I go back to school Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I'm done for summer, so that's awesome. So ready. So glad this year's over. It's been a really, really challenging, tough year. And Patton's coming to check it out. See, this one wasn't wanting to spray. It was just dripping everywhere. All right, here we go. Finally. So I'm going to make it even messier. I think after I did that, I wished I didn't, because I really liked it before all the splatters, but it still don't look bad. Alrighty. So this is my sister and her youngest. I'm going to put it on. I guess that's tissue. No, that's vellum. Oh, here, let me take this. Sorry, I've been trying to get my scrapbook room back in tidy order. Well, it's not messy, but I had bought these walnut colored cubes from Closet Made from Walmart and Lowe's. And my ex-husband didn't want them anymore. And so, as he's moving, so he gave them back to me because I left them for him to organize his clothes because that's what I had bought them for. So I put those in my scrapbook room and just to, I mean, I have a place for everything, but it's all right. It gave me even more storage. So he has another one for me, so to figure out where to put it. I need to use it to organize because I got a whole bunch of stuff thrown in Mateo's closet that I never organized, and he's been here 3 years. So what I might do is I need to figure out, well, no, my layouts are fine where they are, but I got a ton of them. I mean, I got 100 pages and all out of albums. Okay, anyway, back to my layout. So my background is basil cardstock. The blue with pink dots is crepe paper La La Love, and that white floral is reverse side of the blue and pink layer from crepe paper La La Love called Bouquet. Those chipboard frames are Pink Fresh Studio Joyful Day. And what I use for my title is a die cut that's So Happy We're Here. Right there. And in the end, this layout turns out really good. I found those puffy stickers really difficult for me to use. So there has to be a meaning behind using them. So I try not to scrapbook that way, so I can use anything on any layout, whether it's about fruit or whatever, but I can't use a strawberry unless I'm eating strawberries or whatever. But I need to scrapbook just a scrapbook. So anyway, the puppy stickers are Pink for Studio Everyday Musings. And then I have die cuts from the same collection. And then, since everything's down, that pretty much completes my layout. So I'm going to do some more splatters because what I have just isn't enough. No, I'm going to do splatters so that way the layers I put on top will also have the splatters. So anyway, that completes my layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.